guys, it's Shamstra and welcome back to my little kitchen. Now, if you like what you see today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your bell notifications on. So today I'm going to be sharing my recipe for chicken pakora. Now, these are sort of like bite-sized nuggets. They have a spicy coating on the outside, yet they're juicy and moist on the inside. They go perfectly well with any of your favorite dipping sauces and they're quick and easy to make. So let's run through what we need and then we'll start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need is half a kg, which is 500 grams of chicken breast fillets, which I've cubed into medium pieces. I've got 1 mug, which equates to 250 grams of gram flour, which is besan. We need water, and you need the following spices. I've got 1 teaspoon of salt, coriander powder and garam masala. I've got half a teaspoon of chili powder, turmeric powder and dried chili flakes. And I've also got here 1 heaped tablespoon of coriander seeds and cumin seeds. All I've done is I've just added both those ingredients into a blender and just blitzed it coarsely. And I've got 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt here, and I've got 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves. You also need oil for when we come to fry our pakora. So let's start cooking. Okay, so we're going to start first of all by making our pakora batter, and for that what we're going to do is we're going to take all our dry ingredients and we're going to throw them in to our gram flour. I'm going to take the dried fenugreek leaves and just crush them between the palms of my hands to release more flavour and aroma, just like that. And then just mix everything together. And now I'm going to throw in my yogurt and then take our water and we're going to add a little bit in and just mix that up. And you want a batter which is not too thick and not too thin. So just keep adding small amounts and just keep mixing until you've got like a lump-free batter. And just keep making a mess like I do as well. Can't believe I just did that on camera, but I'll continue. So it just needs a little bit more. So you can see it's quite sort of like thick and stiff. So just add a little bit more water and just keep going with this. A little bit more. You want it sort of like probably the thickness of cake batter once it's done. So that's a bit too thick, I still think. You want it to coat the chicken pieces, but you also want it to kind of like not be too thick. Perfect, and that's the consistency you want, so it's running off this whisk really nicely. So now what I'm going to do is just take my chicken and I'm just going to add that straight in like that and just make sure that's really nicely coated. Mix that up. That is looking perfect. And I'm just going to heat my oil up and take my camera over and show you how to fry these. Okay guys, I have my oil here in a wok which is nice and hot. Now my temperature is on a 7, which is a medium heat setting. Now to check the temperature of the oil, all you need to do is just get yourself a cocktail stick and just insert that in the middle, and you can see it started to bubble, which is a good indicator that the oil is ready. So I'm now going to just turn it down to a 6 and I'm going to gently lower my chicken pieces, which are coated in this wonderful batter, in very carefully, and we're going to fry these now for about 5 to 6 minutes until they're really nice and crispy and golden brown in colour. Oopsie, didn't expect that, but There we are. Right, okay, these are ready now, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to drain them onto some kitchen paper and continue frying the rest of the batch. Right, okay guys, my pakora are all fried, so let me plate these up and tell you guys exactly how they are. Right, okay guys, my pakora are all ready, and I've just served them up with a really spicy mayo dipping sauce here. Now this goes well with any sort of like chutney. You can have it even with mint and coriander chutney. That's fantastic. So moment of truth now, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly how they are. Oh my God. That chicken is juicy and moist. And all of the flavours that we've added from the spices are coming through really nicely. The pop of the cumin seeds and the coriander seeds that we added, oh, that's coming through as well. All I need now is a cup of coffee, and that's going to be perfect. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Please do try it out. Let me know in the comments below if you liked it. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, then go ahead and do that. Turn your bell notifications on, and also share the recipe with your loved ones. Make them eat them, enjoy them. I'll catch you next week with a new one. Till then, take care and happy eating.